Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to make an Xbox 360 cooling fan. The first thing that you're gonna need is 12 volts fans. You can find them on a computer power supply or any hardware store or electronic store. Um, and you need a 12 volts output so you can connect your wires to your fans. And well, let's start. Okay, first you need your fans. You need a 12 volt fans, and to hold them together you need these kind of bands. I don't know if you can see them. They're like plastic belts that you can hold the fans together. All the fans has like holes on it, and what you're gonna do first is you're gonna grab your red wires. Most of them are the red wires are the positive. So first you hold them and you put them together. Okay, you grab your red wires. You make a twist. Okay, and it should be like this. All the red wires has to be together. The next step is you need your negative. This is your negative wires. So you hold them together. You hold them together. You twist the wires. And right now I don't have the soldering, so I'm just gonna twist them. The next step is you're gonna need your plug. This is where your electricity is gonna come to the fans. So first you get your positive. The positive always have like a line, like a white stripe or some type of stripes, and you grab your fans and you put it in the positive. Positive is the red wire, and the negative always is black. It doesn't have a stripe or anything. So you make a twist. You have a soldering liquid. You can just solder the cable so it doesn't stick apart. And because I don't have a soldering cable, it should be like this. Hope you can see this video. As you can see, all the red wires, all the black wires, and here is your plug, and it should be like this. There you go. And you grab electric tape and you put it around the the cable to cover the wire, so you don't get electric current through your body. And you get the electric tape in the other side. And there you go. There you have there you have it. This is a Xbox 360 cooling fans, and make sure you follow the signs on the fans, because it has like an arrows telling you the way the air is gonna flow and which way the fan is gonna turn. So you just grab your AC adapter and you connect it to any electric plug. And there you go. You have a cooling fan. Here you go. You put your red wires all together, and then you put your black wires all together. You tape them, and I don't know if you can see the rings, the belts. I mean, they're like plastic belts that you can find on any store, or you can use like crazy glue to hold them together. And what you do is you grab your Xbox 360 and you put it in the back. And because right now I don't have my Xbox 360, you can find some screws, and what you can do is um, you can grab your screws, and you just put it in the back of your Xbox 360. And this is an inexpensive way to make one, instead of go to the store and just buy the cooler. But if you have like any type of fans, you can see you can make one really easy to make, and you don't have to worry about your red rings of death or overheating your Xbox 360. Well guys, hope you learn how to make one. It's really easy, and you can make one in less than 5 minutes if you have all the equipment. Well, hope you enjoy this video, and keep making new mods to your Xbox without spending a lot of money. Okay, thank you.